That one the head do up good too.
Since 1947, the matter never settled. You be what I be getting. Possibility on your wallet. Better recognize. Better stop all time. No one that then they go call mine. So they shut it down. So friendly, it's courtesy we show. Welcome to Sandals. It's you why we're here. Welcome.
Thank you. It has peach snaps, blue curacao, white rum, coconut rum, and pineapple juice. Would you guys like to try?
I would like to try.
Alright.
Education starts now.
Alright. Enjoy.
Thank you. Cheers, baby. I like it.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
Alright, so what I'm going to get you familiarized is our main lobby area here. To your left, we have a display of all your activities that takes place here at property. So that's detailed information, but as well as the Sandals app, you can get this. All day do dinner only, casual attire, no reservation required.
Okay.
We also have our gift shop. Operation is from 8 a.m. until 9 p.m. You can have a drink at my top, alright? Thanks
Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style.
That's our Zuka restaurant. They do the Latin fusion style for dinner. No reservation required and casual attire. Dinner only. That's our famous Rum Club. Open for night partying from 5 p.m. until 2 a.m.
Wow.
Right? If you would like to have a snack, they also have a menu. You can select meals from starting as early as 5 p.m. also. To stay awake until 2 a.m., we got the coffee shop right here. That's the Bloom. Right, you can get your coffee, your pastry, your dessert throughout the day, okay? Watch your steps. There you go, man. Just checking to see if you see that little bit, you know?
I'm going to go over there, man. Alright, welcome home.
Alright.
So just want to let you know that welcome you home to your home away from home.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away, palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions no replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around.
A few moments later.
Yeah, the resort. At the resort, saw our room.
Yeah.
But now I'm hungry, time to eat.
Oh yeah.
Everything is so nice.
Look at her. She's so excited.
So we're at Jerk Shack. We came to get something to eat quick. I hope they have jerk chicken breast because that's the only part of the chicken I eat before I'm eating fish.
Our first meal on a resort.
First meal on the resort. It's nice and breezy out here. A couple just got married. They have a couple candlelit dinner tables set up. Ooh, that one right there is a nice spot. Update, guys. You can get white. You can get any parts of the chicken you want, is what she said. So, I get in my jerk chicken. And Jamil getting fish and foil. So hopefully he let me try it because it's not my dish. At least just one fork.
Yeah. You can taste it.
You said they were getting up, the couple. Oh, they gone. They're taking pictures.
I want to be nosy.
A couple got married.
You be nosy.
Oh, they're over there.
Oh yeah, I want to be in the backdrop.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
I want to be.
And then they had a group of girls taking pictures on the beach. We're supposed to take
Music, but
pictures
I see the people. I want to be in the
tomorrow. It was supposed to be in the afternoon. And then we have dinner tomorrow night. So I had an outfit for the pictures and then another outfit for dinner. But now we're going to take the pictures and then go straight to dinner. So I have to decide if I change in my outfit or not now, because I had a different outfit for the pictures.
Well then now we have the rest of the afternoon to take pictures.
True.
So
we could do our own pictures.
Yeah, we could just do our own pictures because we have.
And technically we could do them in the morning if we wanted to too, before the spa. What time is the spa? 12?
12. So we could do it after the spa.
Yeah.
We have from 1
I only said in the morning in case it was like, I mean out here empty
we have
though.
From 1 until thing to
4. Because he said he gonna do the pictures for 5.
5 or 5:30 he said. I think it's 5:30 because it's 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because 6 o'clock is the reservation is the candlelight dinner. It's at 6. So
Okay. So
jam-packed.
breakfast in the room tomorrow. And then spa, pictures, candlelight dinner. Happy anniversary to us. Happy 10-year anniversary.
Alright, we got food and drinks. Oh, the silent party? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Tonight at 9 o'clock.
Tonight at 9? Okay.
Right, so they have a free show which is Papa's Game Show at 8:30. And then they have like vocalists singing at 8. But the main act is really 9 o'clock. Same place at the deck that we showed you earlier.
Yeah.
Where we entertain you.
Second vegetable tempura. Second drink.
What's the rating out of 10?
Everything's been a 10 out of 10 so far. Definitely.
Agreed.
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Sake number 2 on the way.
Just checking. Just doing.
Oh, you still there?
Yeah, man. Sorry, man. It's
Already?
A whole 8 minutes left.
Good.
Good.
Too
Enjoying
good.
it so far?
Yeah.
Excellent. Continue enjoying. I'll see you Saturday.
Thank you.
Alright. Sake number 2.
Soft.
After the curacao, whatever welcome drink, and a sip of that super strong rum punch,
Weak sauce.
empty stomach.
We ate. We've been eating. We've had dinner.
But I'm fine.
You should be.
I am. Alright. First dinner at
Yes.
Sandals. Second, sake.
Oh yeah.
What are we thinking?
Good. This is amazing. This is amazing. Great time so far. Good. First night. First day.
Tomorrow's gonna be even better because we've only been here a few hours.
Maybe 4 hours? We got in.
Almost 4 hours, yeah.
Yeah, almost
Got
4
in like after 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's about to be 8. So yeah.
It's my favorite.
Huh? Where is he? In my room?
Checking in on kids.
Oh.
On the
How about you
kids.
in the living room? He was too loud. He's snoring. Then you called me earlier. Why were you calling? We went back to our room. We just ate some dinner.
You can walk in the way. It's not gonna be.
Huh?
You can walk.
Yeah.
Oh. What's that?
He's here walking.
Right here, baby. Hey, big ear. Good night, baby.
I see that people kind of the camera.
Yeah. Watch your step, girl.
And tomorrow is Friday, so then you'll be home for the weekend. I don't know, sleep. Make sure you go to sleep soon, okay?
Okay.
Good night, Bingy.
Good night.
Love you for the pie. Good night. Yep.
Good night.
See you Saturday.
All
All right.